Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Once again, I'm your crypto computer guy. Crypto's in the toilet, but today we're going to do a teardown. A teardown on one of these particular Dreamcast memory cards. Now, a lot of you won't even remember back in the day, Dreamcast had memory cards that you could actually play games on. You could do things with. You could browse and see what's going on. But today we don't care about that because every other YouTube in the universe has done a video on it. Today we are tearing it down. Okay, maybe not tearing it down. I definitely want to get this girl back together again. And hopefully before my daughter comes down here and realizes what I'm doing and totally destroys all the work I've done and loses everything into the wind. I'm pretty sure all toddlers have this ability, but she has this mutant ability to throw things into another dimension. And some of my friends have commented that she's actually throwing things into subspace. I'd believe that, but either way, I think I finally got this sucker open. Oh, I should have known, yeah. Yeah, we got cables going to... Oh, a speaker! I thought those cables would have been going to the power. The power connects directly. Jeez, that's interesting. Oh, yeah, I can't believe I just did that. Come on, let those screws out. Alright. Okay. My daughter's begging her mother for some pop right now. Some Coke Zero. No sugar but caffeine, I'm sure. Aspartame is great for kids' brains. So that's what we got. Now let me take a look, see if there's any more in the back. Maybe I can just pop this thing right off. Yeah, I should go all the way. Interesting. I've never seen things screwed on quite like this inside memory cards before. Okay. Interesting. Very interesting. Oh, now I can finally clean around the screen. Thank God. Man, this thing's pretty old. And then, of course, we get the sheet. I gotta put this thing back together with my daughter running rampant downstairs. Wish me luck, ladies and gentlemen. Anyways, that's it for me. I am the Crypto Computer Man. And have a good one. Like and subscribe if you like this stuff. It helps me out. Get some chips in my pocket, and that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I gotta go. Have a good one.